Hello everyone and welcome to this video where today I'll be introducing you to cryptography, blockchain and a Bitcoin course. I'm delighted to have all of you here as we embark on this fascinating journey into the world of digital currencies, secure communication and decentralized technology. And now I'll guide you throughout what you'll learn in this course. Cryptography, blockchain, and Bitcoin have become buzzwords in the realm of technology and finance, and for good reason. They are revolutionizing the way we communicate, transact, and store value in the digital age. In this course, we'll delve into the fundamental concepts, principles, and applications of these groundbreaking technologies. First, the power of cryptography. We'll begin exploring the power of cryptography, the science of secret communication. Cryptography enables us to secure our digital transactions, protect sensitive information, and ensure privacy in an increasingly interconnected world. We'll delve deep into cryptographic algorithms, encryption techniques, digital signatures, and cryptographic protocols. Unveiling blockchain technology. After that, we'll unravel the mysteries of blockchain technology. Blockchain has garnered immense attention for its potential to revolutionize industries beyond cryptocurrencies. We'll examine the inner workings of blockchain, including decentralized consensus mechanisms and the creation of immutable, transparent ledgers. We'll explore all you need to know about it from supply chain management and healthcare to finance and governance. Then, Bitcoin, the digital gold. No discussion about blockchain would be complete without exploring the phenomenon that sparked the revolution, Bitcoin. We'll take an in-depth look at the birth of Bitcoin, the concept of digital scarcity, and the decentralized nature of this groundbreaking cryptocurrency. We'll delve into mining, wallet security, and underlying technology that powers Bitcoin, the blockchain. Now, throughout this course, we'll basically go through each of these videos, okay? And it is structured into modules conveying essential concepts and providing practical insights. We'll have hands-on discussions to deepen your understanding, okay? And I hope you'll get a solid understanding of the principles behind cryptography, blockchain technology, and Bitcoin. We'll examine their potential applications, challenges, and future prospects. By the end of this course, you will be able to navigate the evolving landscape of these technologies and will appreciate their impact on various industries. Thank you for joining this course, and I look forward to our engaging discussions and your active participation throughout this journey. Together, let's explore this fascinating world of cryptography, blockchain, and Bitcoin. Thank you for watching.